Danco is a leading manufacturer of a full line of rollback carriers, towing, and recovery vehicles. The superior design of the Danco haulers and tow trucks will outlast any other brand of carrier with the right care and proper maintenance. The goal of excellence has been a trademark of Danco since its beginning in 1973. The president and founder, Dan Reynolds, began acquiring mechanical experience working on his family's farm as a young boy. Then Dan continued honing his mechanical skills as a machinist in a local metalworking plant. His co-founding of Jerdan Corporation was the beginning of the pursuit of entrepreneurship. Dan later transferred his assets from Jerdan into the formation of Danco Products and purchased the Grove Agricultural Division. Danco farm equipment continues to prove durable through many years of service. In 1983, Danco added the manufacturing of rollbacks to its production. Danco's farm equipment customers were also looking for the same durable qualities in a towing vehicle.
Danco service and support is excellent. If I have a problem or an issue with one of my units and I call them, parts usually ship within 24 hours. They've always been knowledgeable of what my situation would be that I need my trucks, and they talk me through it and I can get them back on the road.
Danco designs with AutoCAD programming and utilizes the latest in computerized machinery in the manufacturing process, which produces rollbacks of excellent quality. In 2004, Danco expanded to a new 17,000 square foot manufacturing facility. This now houses a state-of-the-art paint process along with a streamlined assembly area. Along with a variety of models and sizes of rollbacks, Danco added the patented Swivel rollback. The new Swivel lives up to Danco's name. The special feature of maneuvering quickly to recover a vehicle adds to the towman's profit. Its unique maneuverability also enhances operator safety in highway recovery. Crowded parking lots are no longer the dreaded tasks. The new Swivel is today's answer for future challenges. It is the carrier of excellence that will carry the towman into the 21st century. The Danco Swivel has been outperforming and outlasting many conventional rollbacks for over 6 years. Its unique ease of operation makes it the most versatile recovery system on the market today. From crowded parking lots and highways to busy city streets, the Swivel rollback has proven itself time and time again. With no more maintenance than a conventional carrier and proven durability, why would any owner want their operators to have anything else? The time saved more than justifies the cost. The objection of more moving parts has been a concern from prospective customers. However, our Swivel carrier customers have discovered that the Swivel does not require any more maintenance than the conventional rollback. Along with outstanding service, the safety aspects makes this the more desirable carrier as well. The value of the operator's safety is the utmost importance. Like many modern-day appliances that keep finding their way into the home, the Danco Swivel will have its place in every tower's fleet. Don't be left behind. Get yours today and you'll keep asking yourself how you ever got along without it. The Danco Swivel advantages. The Danco Swivel has a 70-degree range of swing, adequate for everyday tow. Operators can now make more calls in less time, which means higher profits. Roadside recovery is now more safe and perform much more efficiently. With the Swivel, the operator can work safely off the highway and away from oncoming traffic. Tight parking lot recovery is not a match for the Swivel rollback. The Swivel rollback reduces unnecessary stress that is applied on a conventional rollback, which reduces part fatigue and downtime. The Swivel rollback reduces wear and tear on the truck tires, truck chassis, and Swivel carrier itself. Eliminates pulling loads from the side, which will cause stress and fatigue on your equipment. Also reduces stress and fatigue to your driver, with not having to reposition and tug and pull vehicles to be towed. Proven over 6 years with the first Swivel still working in the field daily. Heavy-duty construction in most cases will outlast the competition's conventional carriers. A clean design for easy maintenance. The Swivel allows the operator to complete his task more quickly, which minimizes the time spent while working in traffic. At Danco, we build wreckers as reliable as they come. Unmatched performance, quality, and sleek design results in a rugged design for years of service. The 16-ton Falcon is a dependable and affordable wrecker that everyone can count on. Our operator-friendly design includes a wireless remote control, and you will be able to tow anything from a small car up to a large truck. The versatility and user-friendly features of the 16-ton Falcon will allow you to be ready for any task. The Mantis RC70 is a recovery crane with a 70,000 foot-pound rating. Along with one of our popular carriers built to your spec, you can make your business more profitable. With rising prices in today's world, you have to work smarter, and at Danco, we believe in providing you with superior equipment that will allow you to work even smarter. The Mantis RC70 is a car carrier and wrecker all-in-one, eliminating wear and tear on a second vehicle, insurance on a second vehicle, and finding a second operator in the middle of the night. The RC70 eliminates lane blockage on busy highways, keeping traffic flowing. With the versatility of the recovery crane, you can now do more than just tow. You can move equipment, farm implements, building materials, generators, tire handling, and more. The new all-aluminum 3-car pack rat and 4-car haul-more carriers have been designed for the long haul. This equipment is for the individual who loves to collect and transport all types of shiny new and used automobiles. This new design is like no other in the industry today. These units allow for maximum visibility and stability where other haulers develop blind spots and are not safe. They also eliminate the stress fatigue found on other multi-car haulers that eventually fail. If you own or operate salvage yards, auto storage yards, contract hauler for auto dealers, own a car dealership, transport vehicles for auto auctions, or a tower looking for a competitive advantage, do you want to transport more cars in less time, save fuel costs by making less trips, and add more money to your bottom line? Then you need to check out the 3 and 4 car haul more series by Danco. The solution for your multi-car hauling needs doesn't get any easier than this. The Haul-More has the best visibility in its class, reducing blind spots that are a distraction to the driver found on other manufacturers' models. The Danco Haul-More also reduces the stress that most drivers encounter while driving other makes of multi-car carriers. The design of the Haul-More's overcab structure keeps the suspension free and transfers unnecessary weight off the front axle, which allows for a smoother commute. Danco has incorporated the same weight transfer technology in the Haul-More as in the 3-car pack rat. Like the pack rat, the Haul-More is also engineered to help transfer weight off the front axle. The overcab structure is mounted behind the cab, allowing the front support to be free floating over the cab. When a car is loaded on the top deck, the weight of the car transfers into the structure and continues down behind the cab where the structure bolts to the frame of the chassis. Danco is the only manufacturer in the industry that is capable of transferring weight off the front axle and distributing it behind the cab. The all-aluminum deck construction makes the Haul-More lightweight, which in return allows for a greater payload and better fuel mileage. The main deck is available in deck lengths ranging from 20 feet to 30 feet and a 20,000-pound capacity. The upper deck rating is 7,000 pounds and a 14-foot 5-inch deck length. There's a steel main deck option available for the tower who hauls salvage and needs a more durable deck surface. The deck has multiple tie-down choices to utilize the 4-point tie-down supplied with your unit.
The best features of the Danco Prowler is its versatility. It's second to none in the class of truck that it is.
The new Danco Prowler 12-ton and Prowler 6000 series are designed to meet the changing needs of the towing and recovery industries, with the Prowler's ability to tow small cars and mid-sized trucks. If you want to get the job done fast and right, then the Danco Prowler is your solution.
It's just really a versatile truck. In a moment's time, you can turn it from towing a Lexus car to towing a fifth-wheel RV trailer.
The sky's the limit. Your customers are broken down, so you have to be dependable. That's why at Danco we build wreckers as reliable as they come. Unmatched performance, quality, and sleek design results in a rugged, dependable, and affordable wrecker that everyone can count on. The introduction of the Danco frame-mounted cab protector had the market buzzing. Now Danco is introducing another feature that will make your carrier the most versatile in the industry. The side-winding cab protector is designed to utilize the stabilizing features of the frame-mounted cab protector and wheel lift by allowing the operator to winch vehicles from either side of the unit while parked in a neutral traffic position. The unit comes standard with hydraulic stiff legs for added stability and a wireless remote. This technology was introduced to the industry many years ago, and the reintroduction will make your car carrier an affordable standalone unit for those calls that require a little more than just transporting. You will no longer need to call for additional equipment to complete the tow call. Rumber decking is available on many models. Rumber is a material breakthrough. From wood to metal to plastics, history charts breakthroughs that change the way we live. Rumber Materials Incorporated has created a revolution in the way we think about everyday products, blending recycled tires and plastics in an exclusive patented process. Rumber is strong and highly durable with unlimited potential uses. Rumber is the environmentally friendly material, a natural choice for a number of specialized products like Danco. We continue to strive at providing our customers with the best quality, great service, and on-time deliveries. So count on Danco for your next investment.
I would recommend Danco products to others in my industry for their reliability, for their value, for what you get, for the ease of maintenance on them, the availability, and overall experience of dealing with the company as itself. It's a very family-oriented company. 90% of your towing companies out there are family businesses, and it's just good to support a family business like myself.